Welcome back, everybody. My name is Renee, and today I'm going to be going over the best skincare hack for oily skin. I have been using this since 2013. It's what I use when I know I want to stay oil-free all day long. I discovered it because fresh out of college, I actually worked at a dermatology practice as their marketing coordinator. And of course, a dermatology practice was like a dream come true, and I got to play with so many great things. But this was one of the things that really stuck out to me, and I have repurchased it and repurchased it and repurchased it over the years. And without further ado, that is OC8 Professional Mattifying Gel. So this, can't really see it. Okay, yeah. And I'll find a little picture and put it over the top. But this is what the bottle looks like. It's light blue. There we go. It's light blue. And it is the best. Now, it does cost around $30 for this 1.6 ounce tube, but it does last a very long while, and you only need a little bit. So the way I use it, now if you don't wear makeup, you can also, this also still applies for you. But I like to use it because I am super stingy with it because it is a little more expensive. And you just don't want to use it too much because things that that mattify skin sometimes clog pores a little bit. It says it doesn't, but I think I try not to use it all the time, basically. So I use it for when I have a shoot and I'm gonna be on set all day, and I know, it only takes about 2 hours before the oil starts reaching through the powder, and I look oilier and oilier and oilier. But I also would use it if it was just gonna be a long day and I get oily and I wanted to look great that day and not shiny. I know a lot of people who are on TV, everyday broadcasting, newscasters and such use this as well, and this is dermatologist approved. I worked for actually a black skin dermatologist, as well as she also owned a skincare line and did skin cancer surgery, and she 100% suggested this to me, and I have been buying it ever since, although I don't work there anymore. But you can get this anywhere. I usually just order it on Amazon because I order everything on Amazon, and I'll have a link below, but it is sold at other pharmacies and such. But so it leaves you matte for 8 hours, and the way I use it is I use it like a primer. So I put it all over my skin before I do my makeup. So I would wash my face, and then on bare skin I would put this on. Then I generally wait about 1 to 2 minutes for it to kind of absorb and do its thing, get into my skin, and then I apply my makeup on top of it. Now, it is literally a game changer, night and day, between what I look like when I wear this and what I look like when I don't wear this. The direction says gently cleanse, dry the skin. Apply a thin layer of OC8 Professional Mattifying Gel every morning as part of your daily care routine. Gently massage the OC8 into skin using a light circular motion. Apply OC8 after moisturizers and sunscreens, but prior to oil-free makeup. So they're actually putting sunscreen and moisturizer on first and then putting this on, so that's definitely an option, and it really does last 8+ hours. So if you wear the long wear makeup and you want something to step it up to the next level, this is your long wear mattifying, no oily look hack. Seriously, seriously, seriously. And as you can see, like, your girl is getting every little inch out of it. I will definitely be rebuying, and I'm gonna put a link in the description below. So if this was helpful for you, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, please give me a comment and like, because that totally helps with the algorithm, makes it so other people can find my videos and I don't just go floating through YouTube, the YouTube universe. So thank you so much for tuning in again. This is another session of the skincare hacks. I'm going to be sharing other things, but this is literally something that I have used over the years, and I 100% approve. So I would recommend. Thank you guys for tuning in, and good luck staying oil free. Steph out.